Hey guys, okay. So I'm not sure if I'll clarify, I'm just jumping straight into this vlog today. I haven't found a dress as yet, and today I'm going to probably make my intentions mostly on finding a dress because today is the 27th, well, not the 30th. I'm leaving here because I still have to travel to the state that the wedding's in. Um, so yeah, so today I'll be doing wedding dress shopping, that's for sure. And see if I can get the dress and the shoes. And if I have time, there's some things I would like to pick up outside of the wedding dress. If I'm not able to do that, I guess that's fine. I'm just gonna have to roll the punches. I have time, so I am going to take my time, and I'm pretty much ready. To be honest, I'm gonna wear what I have on and just put on my sneakers. I'm just gonna get the little bag that I'm gonna wear organized, and I just get myself fully together because my uncle's gonna be carrying me, and he just came in and wants like about 10-15 minutes to himself to kind of get ready to go back on the road. So I'm gonna take my time, get ready. Okay, so for the most part, I think I'm ready. I got my glasses together, got my little side bag together, have on my sneakers, which I'll definitely be doing a test run today because I just bought this Sunday. Like one for feeling better than the other, probably just new. Yeah, so I will definitely be aiming to definitely today just have to buy, cause yeah. And I also have to make the effort to get some things that my mother wanted, because I'm supposed to be sending them back with somebody who's also coming to the wedding. So yeah, them two that are number one things on the list. And if I get to get the things for my hair, for my wigs, for my personal needs, whatever, it will be done.
I don't wanna be your ex. We're way too good at being friends. Can we still?
Okay guys, so these are the dresses that I got, but damn, these dresses be expensive. I don't know if it's gonna be any better than this. Like, look at the price. Damn. I don't think it's gonna get any better for formal dresses like these, to be very honest. It's very expensive. If I can return it, I will try. But they're nice. Let me try them on.
Hanging on the low, get why I don't wanna be your hit your boy up with a text when you're alone and feeling stressed. Said I ain't gotta be in love with you to.
Sometimes I really forget that I am vlogging. But yes, I got the dress, the red dress. I don't know if I showed it a bit. But no, I'm in shoes and I'm looking for some shoes. The prices in here are actually really good. I'm glad I left the shoes there. The shoes was like $59 for a little piece of Toops heels. No, I'm seeing shoes in here for $10. It's crazy. Okay, this is kind of $24. It's probably would have been best. Let me show.
Love you. I don't wanna be it, so don't treat me like your head. No, I don't wanna be yours. No, can't count up the times you blow my line. Yeah, that's been on my mind a lot lately. Yeah, and I wanna leave the ex around behind. And I know that you wanna be my baby. Yeah. So I'm gonna take my girl to the old town road. She gonna ride till she can't no more.
Hey guys, we made it into Walmart, which is perfect. I need so much things from Walmart. I'm excited. And this time I'm not leaving without everything, every goddamn thing. I'm not leaving without it. Let's see if I have enough money though. Oh crap, I need to get a lip gloss to sum me up. That will be the last thing for the wedding, and I would need some brushes. So I don't want to say I'm gonna take my time, but I'm gonna be thorough. Okay, I'm gonna be thorough. I just need me a little cheap lip gloss. $2, $3, and $2. I'm gonna get me one for $2. I really just wanted that clear glass. Not really seeing that. The beauty supply store probably. Oh, I think I see a clear glass. No, that ain't a clear glass. Alright, I'm gonna get some. Oh. These are some cute press-ons. I was thinking about doing these for the weddings, but honestly I feel like I just want to go bare. The price ain't bad. I could get some clear set for $4, or even something a little bit more shimmery for $7. Price is really isn't bad. It's just that I just don't think I can bother. I don't think I want to bother with that. I think I'm gonna need some of these. This is the brush that I want, but I think I can do without it. So I got a lip gloss, which is good. I am just going to see if I can find Mama's lunch kit and my sewing. Oh, blankets and oh god, there's so much shit that I want. I want to take my. I want to be thorough. And pants. Oh no, these ain't the shit that I want. Houseware. I gotta look at the sign because I'm gonna get lost. Fabric tablecloth. Jesus, you know much thing I want by people. Take time with it. Dining set. No man, them pick me up. I think this would be perfect. $12. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it on the first try. Okay. Alright, I'm not sure what I'm doing in this aisle. I was trying to see if I saw air fryers, and this man came up to me asking me if I wanted to make money part-time. Damn. Oh boy. Guys, you know who me look on this for? Yes, I'm gonna have to come back for this stuff. I don't really want to buy everything on my first run. I'm gonna get some things that I know I want to carry back with me, and I would like to have it early as possible. Perfect. I'm seeing lunch kits. But please don't be kitty. And there, some kitty, some not that kitty. Oh, let's see. I want something big and nice. Alright, so I'm eventually gonna see a better lunch kit. I think I'm gonna have to just move on from that. Alright, so I'm gonna look if I can see a blanket as well as some Alright, let me go on the other side of the store. I don't think anything else. Ooh, I see storage. I bet you know she loves some storage. You see some storage, but this ain't nothing that I don't already have. Nothing not special. Oh, I want to have the laundry bags. Damn, Walmart's so big. I don't know what half of the friggin' things is. Let's see. Okay. I should have an app I can search for this one. Okay, so they actually do have like the laundry bags. I'm gonna just decide which one I want. I think I'm gonna get two. One different one. Okay, this is $3.98. Okay, and I may get probably just get two of that. No, I want something bigger. Let's see. Alright, this one is a $5. Alright, I think I'm gonna get one of this. And I'm gonna decide. Guys, I'm around the sewing machine side. I'm gonna have to get me a single heavy duty. Okay guys, so I'm back at the house now. I think I may go through the things or just a quick run through of what I got either this evening or tomorrow morning. I'm gonna have a shower. I have some chicken left in the fridge. I'm gonna warm that up with some probably bread and butter. Yeah, that's what I'm feeling like. And I have to start packing tomorrow, so that's gonna be the start of another vlog, travel vlog to New York. Yeah, that's where I'm going. All right, guys. So much in store. Back to back. I don't wanna
be your ex. We're way too good at being friends. Can we still hang out on the low? Get why I don't wanna be your. I don't wanna be your. Hit your boy up with a text.